If you're a man over 50, this might be one of the most important things you watch all year. Seriously. Because if that deep, restorative sleep and that powerful daytime vigor feel like something from a distant memory, well, the solution is probably not what you've been told. It's not about some new pill or a complicated routine.
In fact, it might not be about your age at all. The real problem could be a single missing and totally overlooked nutrient that basically acts as the master switch for your nightly recovery. So over the next few minutes, we're going to explore the precise science behind this nutrient. I'll reveal the specific form that actually works, and I'll give you the simple steps you can take, starting tonight, to get your vitality back. All right, let's dive into this by talking about a guy named Ryan. Ryan is 58. He's built a career, he's raised a family, he's always seen himself as a capable, driven man. But lately, something has felt deeply, fundamentally off. It's his quiet fear that he kind of keeps to himself. He wakes up in the morning feeling like he hasn't slept a wink, A bone-deep fatigue that no amount of coffee can even touch. And throughout the day, his focus is just gone. That inner fire, that sense of drive and potency, it feels like it's fading into a low hum. Let me tell you about the moment that really changed everything for him. It was last weekend. He was playing with his grandson in the yard, and he felt winded, weak, like a shadow of the man he used to be. And that feeling, it wasn't just physical. It was this profound, unsettling loss of his former self. So Ryan, being concerned, did what most of us would do. He made an appointment with his doctor, just hoping for an answer, right? A solution, some clear path back to feeling normal again. But the conversation he had was short, and honestly, it was profoundly unsatisfying. It left him with way more questions than answers. His doctor listened, nodded, and then delivered that all-too-familiar line. "It's just your age, Ryan. This is part of getting older. Just try to get more sleep." Have you ever heard something like that? It's such a frustrating and dismissive answer. It leaves you feeling completely powerless, as if this slow, steady decline is just inevitable and something you have to accept. Ryan left that office feeling defeated. But what if that common advice is based on a totally incomplete picture? What was the crucial piece of information his doctor was missing? Well, that's the absolute core of what we're talking about today. It's the hidden variable that can change, well, everything. So here's the great myth, that this decline is an unavoidable consequence of how many birthdays you've had. But the scientific fact, which we're about to explore, is that a correctable nutrient deficiency is very often the hidden culprit. According to publications from major health institutes, magnesium deficiency is one of the most common issues in men over 50. So this isn't about accepting decline, it's about addressing a specific biological need. And here's the part most men never, ever hear. This fatigue, this poor sleep, this fading vigor, it is not a one-way street. It's often tied directly to the depletion of a single master mineral that literally governs your body's ability to rest, to repair, and to recover each and every night. Let's talk about magnesium. I want you to think of it as your body's calm switch. It's not just a simple mineral. It's a critical player in over 300 essential biochemical reactions. And a whole lot of those reactions are directly responsible for winding down your nervous system and preparing your entire body for that deep, restorative sleep. So, how does this actually work inside your brain? Well, magnesium helps regulate a neurotransmitter called GABA. The absolute simplest way to think of GABA is as your brain's brake pedal. It quiets down all that excessive nerve activity, it reduces the mental chatter, and it allows your mind to shift into a state of deep calm. Without enough magnesium, your brain's brake pedal can feel weak, unresponsive, leaving your mind just racing when it should be resting. Now, on the other side of that equation, you have cortisol. That's the body's primary stress hormone. So if GABA is the brake, you can think of cortisol as the stress accelerator. Now, cortisol is useful in the morning. It helps you wake up and feel alert, but high levels at night are an absolute disaster for sleep. Magnesium plays this crucial role in helping to regulate and lower cortisol, which keeps that accelerator from being stuck to the floor when you're trying to wind down. So you can really see this amazing triple action. Magnesium helps you relax by making sure GABA, the brake pedal, is doing its job. It also supports the natural production of melatonin, the hormone that governs your sleep-wake cycle. But here's what's really critical for men. It enables the deep sleep phases. This is the only time your body truly repairs itself, rebuilds muscle, and, crucially, produces the majority of its testosterone. So poor deep sleep means poor recovery and, you guessed it, poor hormonal health.
Now, at this point, you might be thinking, hey, I've tried magnesium before and it didn't really do much. And you know what? You're probably right. This is where the information gets really, really powerful. Not all forms of magnesium are created equal. In fact, the type you take completely determines the results you get. Most of the common, cheap forms of magnesium you see on store shelves, they're poorly absorbed by the body. They might have a laxative effect in your gut, sure, but they don't effectively reach your cells and, most importantly, your brain, where they're needed to regulate the sleep cycles we just talked about. This is the #1 reason why so many guys give up on it, just believing it doesn't work for them.
Okay, let's break this down. Forms like magnesium oxide or citrate have lower bioavailability, which just means your body really struggles to absorb and use them. Their main effect is often just in the gut. But then you have forms like magnesium glycinate, which are highly bioavailable and known for their calming effects that really support sleep. And then there's magnesium L-Threonate, which is kind of a superstar. It's not only highly bioavailable, but studies have shown it can effectively cross the blood-brain barrier, making it exceptionally good for supporting both deep sleep and your cognitive function.
And look, this isn't just theory. This is confirmed by what we call the gold standard of scientific research, a recent randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. That's a mouthful, but it's the highest quality study you can do, was published by the National Institutes of Health, or NIH, and it investigated the effects of this brain bioavailable magnesium L-Threonate specifically on sleep in older adults.
The results were pretty remarkable. The study used objective data from Oura Rings, those wearable devices that accurately track your sleep stages. It found that the group taking the magnesium L-Threonate had a statistically significant improvement in their deep sleep score compared to the group that was taking a placebo. What that means is they spent more actual, measurable time in the most physically and mentally restorative phase of sleep.
And get this, how long did it take to see these effects? According to that very same NIH-published study, statistically significant improvements in both sleep quality and daytime functioning appeared within just 7 to 14 days. That is a rapid and measurable change that people could actually feel in their daily lives. So let's take all this incredible science and translate it into a simple, practical, nightly routine that you can start tonight. I promise, this is not complicated. It really just comes down to 3 straightforward steps. First, choose the right form. You want to look specifically for magnesium glycinate for its calming properties, or magnesium L-Threonate for its powerful effects on deep sleep and cognition. Second, timing is everything. Take your supplement about 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. This gives it time to be absorbed and start working. And third, if you want an enhanced effect, consider what's called a synergy stack. Combining magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6 can offer extra support for sleep and hormone health, because these nutrients often work together as a team inside the body. Look, if you're watching this, you already take better care of your health than most men do. Being proactive is step 1. The next step is being empowered with the right information when you talk with your clinician. So let's cover the questions you might have.
3 common questions always come up. First, how fast does it work? As we saw in the research, you can often feel noticeable effects in just 1 to 2 weeks. Second, can I take it long-term? For most healthy people, it's generally considered safe for long-term use. And third, does it affect other hormones? It doesn't directly add hormones, but by improving your deep sleep, it profoundly supports the very systems that regulate critical hormones like testosterone.
Now here's how you can lead the conversation with your doctor. And remember, this is all educational information. You should always consult with your clinician for any personal medical decisions. But you can go in prepared. Ask, given my kidney function, is this a safe supplement for me? Or are there any interactions with my current medications, especially things like diuretics or proton pump inhibitors? You can even ask, could we maybe test my serum magnesium levels to see where I stand? These questions show you're informed and you're an active participant in your own health. We've covered a ton of science, but it really all comes down to this one question. What could one truly restorative night of sleep, repeated every single night, change for you? I mean, really think about it. The energy, the mental clarity, the return of that inner drive, that isn't something that's lost to age. It's something that can be reclaimed. The path to restored vitality and focus isn't some mystery, it's science. I'll keep you updated as new research comes out, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. But for now, think about what you've learned and consider starting your own nightly recovery plan.